We have all seen the magnificent close-up images of Jupiter's beautiful, chaotic cloud formations. But what if we could strip away these turbulent, swirling storms, leaving only the lower layers of the gas giant and a clear, cloudless upper atmosphere? Well, it turns out that the universe has already got that covered, and it comes in the form of an extremely rare gas planet named WASP-62b. Astronomers at the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics have recently announced that they have discovered an extremely rare type of exoplanet, an exoplanet with a clear upper atmosphere, a cloudless giant. The unusual gas planet named WASP-62b, or Krotoa by some, is only the second of its kind to be found, but is the first Jupiter-like cloudless exoplanet ever to be detected. The only similar gas giant is named WASP-96b and was spotted in 2018, but is a Saturn-sized exoplanet known as a hot Saturn. First discovered in 2012, but never closely studied until now, WASP-62b is located 575 light-years away in the constellation of Dorado. The bizarre planet is 1.39 times the size of Jupiter, making it 14 times that of Earth, and is roughly half the mass of Jupiter, meaning that it has a bloated radius and a much lower density. The cloudless giant orbits a larger, hotter, and more luminous star than the Sun at a close distance of 5.2 million miles, which is 8.5 million kilometers, and 1 year on this bizarre scorched world would only take 4.5 Earth days. This extreme proximity to its host star means that it is classed as a hot Jupiter-type exoplanet, the most common type currently found in the galaxy. But WASP-62b is certainly not a common world. In fact, astronomers estimate that less than 7% of all exoplanets have clear, cloudless skies, making WASP-62b exceptionally rare. The unique atmospheric discovery was made when astronomer and graduate student Manaza Alam was studying the planet's atmosphere as it passed in front of its star, searching for chemical elements such as potassium and sodium. However, Alam did not find potassium. Instead, the data revealed a strikingly clear signature of sodium, which according to astronomers is the smoking gun evidence that reveals the gas giant's cloudless, clear atmosphere. When astronomers study worlds such as hot Jupiters, only small hints of sodium can usually be detected due to the clouds and haze obscuring the signature. However, data collected from WASP-62b revealed the full fingerprint, which is impossible to see with anything in the way. Of course, this does not mean that the exoplanet is completely clear, but instead that WASP-62b is cloudless at the levels of atmosphere that we are currently able to study and observe. More research is required. But the discovery of this strange world is important in many ways, mainly because without the envelope of thick cloud cover, extreme planets like WASP-62b can be studied in more detail, allowing astronomers to peer inside and possibly see what they are made of, how they formed, and how they are different from gas giants such as Jupiter. Soon-to-be operational instruments, such as the James Webb Space Telescope, will help astronomers observe and study these types of worlds, hopefully unraveling their translucent mysteries.